Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to show you how to make a luxurious homemade rice face mask. This mask is full of nourishing ingredients that will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth and glowing. So let's get started. We're beginning with the start of our recipe, rice water. Rice water has been used for centuries in Asian beauty routine for its brightening and toning effects. It's rich in vitamin B and E, minerals and amino acids that promote healthy skin. To make the rice water, we'll measure out 2 tablespoons of washed rice and place it into a clean bowl. Then we'll pour distilled water over the rice until it's fully submerged, letting it soak for about 30 minutes, which will allow all the good nutrition to infuse into the water. After 30 minutes, we strain the rice water into a clean container. This nutrition-rich liquid will be the base of our water phase. And don't throw away the rice, you can use it to make homemade rice cream. I have 2 videos on my channel on how to make rice cream, so check them out if you're interested. Links on the description box below and in the top right corner of the screen. For the water phase, we'll use Propendale and our freshly prepared rice water. Propendale is great humectant that helps your skin retain moisture, making sure our mask keeps your skin hydrated for longer. Now carefully measure the amount of rice water we'll use in our recipe. Getting the amount right is important to achieve the perfect texture and effectiveness. Add the Propendale to the rice water and stir gently until it's fully mixed. For the exact measurement, please check out my blog post that comes with this video. The link in the description box. Next, let's prepare the oil phase. You will need isopropyl myristate. Improve the texture of the mask, making it feel light and non-greasy, and helps your skin absorb the other ingredients better. Rice bran oil, rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and fatty acids. It nourishes and protects your skin from environmental stress. Shea butter, known for its deep moisturizing properties, shea butter soothes and heals dry or irritated skin. Stearic acid acts as a thickener and stabilizer, giving our mask a luxurious creamy feel. Dimeticon, a silicon-based ingredient that forms a protective layer on your skin, locking in moisture and giving it a silky finish. Lastly, olive oil 1000. This natural emulsifier made from olive oil helps the water and the oil phases blend smoothly, creating a stable and creamy mask. Combine all the oil phase ingredients in a heat-safe container. I'm using a beaker, but you can use whatever container you have. And now we are going to heat the both phases. But before heating, it's a good idea to note the weight of your water phase. Heating can cause some water to evaporate, so we need to add more later to keep the right balance. Place both the water and the oil phase in a double boiler or water bath and heat them at the same temperature. And once everything is nicely melted and both phases are at the same temperature, take them off the heat. Keeping the temperature the same makes sure the mixing process goes smoothly and the ingredients blend well together. Recheck the weight of your water phase and add a bit more of distilled water if needed to make up for any that evaporated water. This step is important to keep the balance between the water and the oil phases. Now pour the oil phase into the water phase, then use an immersion blender to mix everything until it's creamy and well blended. This usually takes a few minutes, this will ensure the oil and water phases are fully combined, which will give the mask a smooth and consistent texture. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of your container with a spatula to make sure everything is fully mixed in. This prevents any unmixed ingredients from affecting how the mask feels or works. Let the mixture cool down to room temperature before adding our delicate cool down phase ingredients. Now let's move on to the cool down phase. First, add the rice protein to nourish and strengthen your skin. It easily absorbs and helps improve your skin's texture. Next, add vitamin E to boost antioxidant benefits. It helps protect your skin from environmental damage and keeps the mask fresh. Don't forget to add your preservative to make sure your face mask lasts longer. This If you'd like, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil or fragrance oil to make experience even more enjoyable, but this is completely optional. Stir in the bright powder for gentle exfoliation and add an extra brightening effect. It adds a mild texture to the mask, helping remove dead skin cells. For the coloring, add a pinch of mica powder. It's optional but adds a lovely shimmer that makes this mask feel extra special. Gently mix all the ingredients until everything is well combined. Take your time to ensure the mixture is even, which will make the mask's texture and effectiveness better. Again, use a spatula to scrape the sides and mix thoroughly, making sure the texture is smooth and even. This helps prevent any ingredient from settling at the bottom. Now let's check the pH of our face mask. We want it to be friendly to the skin, ideally between 4.5 and 5.5. To check the pH, make a sample by mixing 1 gram of your product with 9 grams of distilled water. Mix it well, then check the pH using pH strips or pH meter. The pH was a little bit high, so I added a few drops of lactic acid to lower it. Now it's around 5.3, which is perfect, so I'm going to leave it there. If you need to adjust, add a few drops of lactic acid to lower, and if you want to increase your pH, use baking soda. Is great to do that. Let your mask sit overnight to reach its final consistency. Look at how it turned out. It's the creamiest mask I've ever seen. I love how it looks and feels. I'm so happy with this formula. It's very worth trying, so I promise. Transfer your homemade rice face mask into a clean, sterilized container. Using clean packaging prevents contamination and makes your mask last longer. And that's it, a nourishing, luxurious rice face mask made it right at home. Your skin is going to absolutely love this natural treat. It's a wonderful way to pamper yourself and take some time for self-care. Remember, the exact measurements and detailed instructions are available on my blog post that comes with this video, so be sure to check that out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more homemade cosmetics recipes. I'd love to hear how this mask works for you, so leave a comment below with your experience or any question you might have. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!